Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Muhammad Muklis and
Muhammad Fakih, Muhammad Rizky Fadilah, Ilham Begar,
Esa Priasin.
we from grade 12 Mechanical Engineering of Vocational High School 36. On this occasion, I will to tell you how to sharpen HSS Lathe tools. Before we begin, prepare the tools and materials. What are they? First, HSS 100 x 20 x 20 millimeters and
coolant oil,
protective
glass,
Wear pack.
and the last is the bench grinder. Let's start begin.
come on.
First, use protective glass to protect the edge from splash. Don't forget to wear your pack.
After that, we should turn on the switch to connect electricity. Press on number 8. Next step, we have to switch the button on in bench grinder machine.
First step, we can start to grinding from the side cutting edge angle. Hold it like this. After that, we have to make sure to touch it on the grinder as possible as you can. We must make it an 8 to 10 degrees and one phase. Don't hold too strong or it can hurt.
Next, we have to make set track angle. Hold it like this. We have to make this side 12 to 20 degrees and on seconds too. Be careful to sharp it. Remember, don't hold too strong so the side cutting is not scraped out. And the last step, we need to grind this side from clearance angle. Hold it like this. You should make this side 10 to 13 degrees and one facet, of course. If the 8 is feel too hot, you can dip it to coolant oil to reduce the heat. The result like this. HSS Lathe is ready to use.
That's all the procedure how to sharpen HSS Lathe tools. I hope you can do it like we did. Thanks for watching and enjoying this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Next step, we have to switch the button on. Halo button ya? Button. Gue nggak kelihatan demi Allah. And the last step, we need to grind this space. Ulang. Apa sih di place apa sih? Side.